And we have liftoff of Vikram 1, India's first private orbital launch vehicle.
Normal.
And we have great views coming from the tracking cameras. And isn't this quite something? Our excellent onboard camera views from the vehicle.
And we can also see quite nominal chamber pressure values on the MCC screen.
द्वितीय चरण का भी पृथक्करण संपन्न हो चुका है और तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन भी प्रारंभ हो चुका है.
That's right, Akhil. We've had successful ignition of stage 3. The vehicle is currently at 157 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It is 355 kilometers downrange, traveling at nearly 4 kilometers per second. Now, the telemetry will switch over from Shar to Port Blair and Ferguson 3. What you see is the rocket plume and the nozzle and Earth, our home.
What a beautiful view. क्या सुंदर दृश्य है हमारी पृथ्वी का.
S3 performance normal.
और तृतीय चरण का
Performance is nominal.
+5 minutes.
So stage 3 has a propellant loading of 2.5 tons and we've had
कैमरा व्यूज देख सकते हैं अपने प्रक्षेपण पर्दों या मोबाइल स्क्रीन्स पर, जहां पे आपको धरती का एक सुंदर दृश्य दिखाई दे रहा है.
As we can see on our screens, right, our plots are really overlapping. The predicted velocities and the current flight velocities are exactly matching. And aren't you guys speechless right now?
I mean, yeah, मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है.
we are approaching another point wherein S3 will separate.
S3 is separated.
और तृतीय चरण का पृथक्करण भी हो चुका है.
And you see wonderful views of S3 separating. And now we have combined coasting has ended and stage 4 will now coast on its own for the next 130 seconds.
कक्षा स्थापन या समायोजन खंड ऑर्बिट एडजस्टमेंट मॉड्यूल के नाम से भी जानते हैं, जिसमें द्रव्य प्रणोदन की अवस्थाओं से संचालन होगा. जो ऑन बोर्ड प्रक्षेपक पर्दों पर हम देख सकते हैं कि पेलोड्स या जो उपग्रह हैं उनका एक चित्र. यहां पे सारे उपग्रह अपने स्थान पर स्थित हैं.
That's right, Akhil. We've also had seamless transition from we have cutoff of the Raman 2 engine, which means
Solaris satellite separate.
And we have separation of the Solaris satellite and the Scope satellite. Both satellites have been deployed successfully. And we have reached space on our first attempt successfully.
इतिहास में पहली बार एक यान ने अपने प्रथम परीक्षण उड़ान में ही उपग्रहों को उनकी निर्धारित कक्षा में स्थापित कर दिया है.
And now comes something very, very interesting. You can see on your screen from on board the cosmic bloom and the micro art. And we have sun rising behind it. It is the dawn of a new space era.
ये एक
force splashing in international waters in a safe and planned manner. And jubilant views from the launch control center where the teams are extremely elated and excited.